So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Up at the top, you've got copper stubbed out of the wall, which is nice. It flows better than galvanized. And the bonus, they had the adapters soldered on there already, which is great. So what we did is we took the old valve off, the gate valve, gives you a full port ball valve, so it's just quarter turn on, quarter turn off. And then we went to a brass connector and then stainless steel. So all those products flow very well. These are Falcon stainless steel connectors. They're the largest in the industry, full inside, 3/4 inch diameter. And so those are going to flow better than what you had on there. And then down to some brass extensions on the tank. We just like that connection better than just going right down to the tank. Get the relief valve. That's a pressure and temperature relief valve. So if too much temperature pressure builds up in the tank, that'll pop off and water will drain out this line over to the side yard, backyard, whatever you've got going on down here. Existing vent, we just tied that back in. Draft diverter came with it, so that's brand new. Adjustable straps on the upper third and the lower third. And this is your model number and serial number right here. There it is. So if you want to go to Bradford White, give them the serial number and your name and street address and all that, they'll get your warranty going on this. Down here we did replace the gas valve, so brand new quarter turn valve on and off, and then a brand new gas connector over to the controller. And down here he had a pan already installed, and so we reinstalled it for you. Put the drain line back down, that way if anything drips down, gets in the pan, and it'll drain down onto the floor right there, so that's all good. We do have it set at 120, so you can see right here, hot is 120, approximately. And then A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. We recommend leaving it on hot or even turning it down. If you turn it down here, you might get 110. But this is where we leave it just for liability purposes. We don't want anybody getting scalded in the home. Anyways, about an hour, and you'll have hot water outside of that. This installation is done.